how to add text in iMovie. If you are using MacBook Air, MacBook Pro or iMac or Mac Mini, the steps are going to be same. First, you have to open iMovie in your Mac. And as you can see, I have already created a timeline for you guys so that I can show you how you can add title to this video. Now, I have divided this video in 3 parts. As you can see, the guy is running in the video. Now there is no transition, there are no effects, there are no animations or there are no text. It's just a simple video and I want to add text in this video in form of giving some message. So you can use text or titles if you want to convey some message through your video, if the video is normal or any sort of video. If you just want to give message or something, you can use text and yeah, they are much more effective. Now at the top, under My Media section, you can check out all the imported files which you can use in your timeline for the editing purpose. In my previous video, I have already shown how can you import the file in My Media section. So you can go and check it out. I'll try to leave the link in description. Now let's jump to the main topic, which is how can you add text to your video. So you have to select title section at the top, and under title section you can check out there are various forms of text with different effects. Now if I point the cursor on the first one like this, you can check out the effect it is showing on the right hand side. If you move the cursor on that particular part, you can check out the font and the animation. Similarly, if I go on the second one, it is appearing at the bottom on the left hand side, and what kind of animation it is showing or effect it is showing, you can check it out over there. I like the third one. I am going to use this as the intro part. So select that particular text and you can click and drag it to the timeline. Now if you want to increase the size of that particular text, you have to select that. Now you can see currently it is for 4 seconds. If you want to increase that time, you can simply select that clip, bring the pointer over here, click, and you can just move like this to increase or decrease the time. Currently let's keep it on 4. Now this was the first part. Now to edit the text, all you have to do is you have to select that, or you can simply triple tap and you can edit over here. So let's add the message. Now currently the color is white and it is not that visible on that particular background. So we are going to change that color later on. Let's add text to the further timeline as well. Similarly, for the second text, I'm going to use this one. It's just an example. You can click and drag it over here, and you can again triple tap over there and you can start editing the text. You can add your message or something, whichever thing you want. So guys, finally I have added some text. Now this is just for example. You can choose much more effects from the list above. Now as you can see, this is the text which I have added. Now some of the effects already has this color, but some of the effect have only white, like the start one, like the intro part, it's not that visible. Now how can you edit this particular text? How can you change the font and how can you change the color and all? So you have, for that, all you have to do is you have to select that particular text, and after you do that, you can just simply select this title setting option, click on that, and you will get these multiple options over there. For example, if I want to change the font of this particular title, I'm going to select the font option from here and I'm going to select it. So let's go with Georgia for now. You can see the font has been changed. Now if I want to change the size, you can just simply select this auto option and you can select the size whichever you want. For example, if I go with this one, let's go with this one. Also you can choose if you want the text to be on the left hand side, you want it in center, or if you want it on the right hand side from over here. Also you can make it bold from here, and you can give outline from here, and you can make it italic from here. Whichever thing you want, you can just do it. Now currently it is in white color. If you want to change the color, if for example if you want to keep it a bit red, you can see we have selected it. Now if I go back and if I play the clip, now you can see it is in red color. Similarly, all the other things you can change by simply selecting the text, going over here and selecting that text setting option or title setting option, and then you can do whatever changes you want from over here. And yeah, let's do that with the final option also. I'm selecting the text, I want to change the color. I've done that. So that's it, I have done the changes. I have selected all the font, all the color, and once it is done, you can check the video for the final time. And this is the final output. It's just a normal message. That's it. It's just an example how can you simply add text to your video, how can you edit that particular text, how can you add colors, more fonts to it, and how to choose different effects from the theme over here, which is under title section. So that's pretty much it for today's video, guys. If you like this video, don't forget to hit that like button. Also, you can subscribe to the channel for more exciting videos like this. I will see you all in the next one. Thank you.